also, how is everything there, sir?
Yeah, now cyclone effect yesterday and day before yesterday, heavy cyclone.
There are people flying in the air and
Yeah.
all that.
Did you watch news?
Yes, sir. I watched the news, and there's like Josna's had few stories regarding the cyclone and all that.
Be heavy cyclone and
Yes.
power restored yesterday evening 7 p.m.
Oh.
Right. Cyclones are happened there. States also.
There's storms and tornadoes here.
Tornadoes. Okay. In Jupiter, there is a big tornado for the last 500 years. Still going on. There is a spot on Jupiter. That spot is about the indication of the tornado. Can I do this? At least first draw a diagram illustrating this question.
Yes, sir. So the triangle has vertex, so that's vertex 1, 2, sir.
Yes.
So that's the triangle.
Right.
So the x is 1 and y is 2.
And yeah, one side of equilateral triangle is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, right? There are three sides.
Yes,
which side is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7? In your opinion?
This, sir.
Yeah. If it is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, the point
Yes.
1, 2 is on it.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2 must satisfy that equation.
Oh, yes, sir.
Check satisfying or not.
Three plus 8. No, sir.
So this side is not 3x plus 4y equal to 7.
Yes.
Next option.
Check the. We put it over here, sir. 3x plus 4y equals 7.
Definitely. Because if it is that side, it must satisfy 1, 2. So 3x plus 4y equal to 7 is neither of those two sides.
Yes, sir.
It must be this side. Okay. Clear that side. Clear the equation. That equation.
This one's here, no, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Then the length of this side of the triangle. Right.
Yes.
What is asked? Side. Which side is asked?
So both of them are equal.
All sides, not both. All sides are equal.
Oh, yes.
So here the point thing is equilateral triangle. So all three sides are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Before going to the question, we must recall the formulae, the points involved in this question. That is, see, it is a point. It is a point. If the coordinates of this point are alpha, comma, beta, there is a line. If the equation of this line is Lx plus My is equal to N, or okay, right?
Yes.
Now, it is a distance from this point to this line. This is called perpendicular distance. There is a formula to find this distance. That formula is
Mod C1 is
mod of
C1 plus C2.
L alpha. X
Yes.
is replaced by x coordinate plus
Be
m beta
M plus N.
minus n whole
Yes.
by the square root of
L square plus M square.
L square plus m square. This is called perpendicular distance. This is called perpendicular distance. Next point. In any equilateral triangle, the side is a units. The side is a units. It is perpendicular or height. It's perpendicular or height.
Yes, sir.
If you take this part, that means if you take half of this part, that is, if you take this part, clearly it is a right angle triangle. In this
Yes.
right angle triangle, one side, that is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is A. Hypotenuse is A. What about this side? It is A by 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
What about this? Since it is a right angle triangle, if it is
A.
H,
Yes, sir.
using Pythagoras theorem, H square plus A square by 4. A by 2 whole square is A square by 4.
Yes, sir.
H square plus A square by 4 is equal to A square, right? Agree?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now H square is equal A square minus A square by 4.
Yes, sir.
4A square minus A square by 4. H square, right?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 3A square by 4. Then H is equal to taking root 3 by 2A.
2, 3,
Square will become root 2.
right.
So
Yes.
the relation between side and height in an equal triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the relation between side and height is equal to root 3 by 2A.
Equilateral triangle. Yes.
Then A is equal to 2 by root 3 times H. Side.
Yes, sir.
If we want to find side, its formula is 2 by root 3 times of H.
Yes.
So these 2 points, by using these 2 points, we can find the solution of this question. Now coming to the question. In this equation, in this question, this point is given as 1, 2. We can find this distance, which is called perpendicular distance.
Yes.
Can you tell? By using this formula,
Root 3 by 2A equals
mod of 3 times of 1.
Oh.
X is replaced by x coordinate.
Yes, sir.
Plus 4 times of 2.
8
minus 7.
minus 7.
Whole by the square root
3
of
square, 3
9 plus
square,
16.
9 plus 16.
It is equal to
3 plus
3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 7, 4.
4.
By 5.
Yes, sir.
What is its name? Height H.
Yes, sir.
What is asked? A is asked. Then the length of this side is asked. That means A
Oh,
is,
then H equals root 3 by 2A.
yeah. Therefore,
So
A is
4
equal to,
4
A is
over
equal
5.
to. Formula to find A.
Oh, yes, sir. A equals 2 by root 3 H.
2 by root 3 times
2
H.
over root 3 times
H.
4,
What is H?
4 over 5.
4 over 5, right? To match that option, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3.
8 over 5 root 3.
Yeah, of course. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Then it will become 8 root 3 by
5
into
17.
yes. Option
Option 3, sir.
Very good.
Why do we do root 3 times root 3? So why are we
Because
rationalizing it?
to know the correct option, of course, without multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3, the answer will be 8 by 5 root 3.
Yes, sir.
8 by 5 root 3 is also correct.
Yes, sir.
But there is no matching for 8 by 5 root 3 in the options.
Yes.
All options have rational numbers only.
Yes, got it.
Okay, right. That's why we rationalized the denominator.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Question has very depth, and this type of questions gives much knowledge in mathematics, especially in straight lines. Yeah, in this problem, you should understand that the relation between side and height of an equilateral triangle and perpendicular distance. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good news is our YouTube channel is monetized yesterday evening by
Oh,
6 p.m. Actually, 2 days back, we got eligibility to apply for a monetization, and
so what is monetization? I'm sorry, I don't know about it.
monetization is from yesterday onwards, uh, money can be earned.
Oh,
Yeah,
congratulations.
but we get more popular whenever if you watch a video of our YouTube channel, some ads display on it. By seeing that ad, some amount is credited. That means $0.2 or $0.5 in my account. Yeah. So far, it is free. You know, it's free. That means we uploaded videos freely without any returns.
Mm.
But yesterday evening onwards, we get paid for people watching ads on it.
Oh, yes.
Ads in it. We need more popular. Actually, 1% of viewers from USA, 77% of viewers from India. This channel, I would like to popularize, strengthen this channel. 77% of viewers are from India and Vietnam and Singapore, and
Thank
America. America, 1%, no, no, not 1%, 0.05% viewers. Yeah, I'm trying for ways to improve the channel. Yeah, anyhow, even a small amount of watching, that means have you ever seen any video on it?
you.
Yeah, if your video gets more than 100 views, um, yeah, ads appear on it. But no, you are intentionally uh, watch videos occasionally, casually. It should be casually, not abnormally. If I hire some persons or if I request my contacts and persons to watch more videos throughout the day, YouTube I invite, and those becomes invalid.
Oh,
Yeah, it should be happen casually and normally also. Abnormality should not be there. Um, if you if you wish me to get more money, you may watch videos throughout the day, and you may click on the ads that becomes invalid traffic. It happens normally. Okay, let us see. That's why I postponed to upload Vedic maths till now. Yeah,
yes.
now onwards, if I get a time, I upload videos regarding Vedic maths or any interesting points. Try to the main thing any well-wisher can do for a YouTuber is tapping like, sharing, and commenting, subscribing. Of course, subscribe already subscribed, but these things made the YouTuber benefited is liking, sharing, commenting. Sharing is very benefited, more benefited. Let us see what happens. The first account is $0 right now. Beginning from the beginning. Yeah. It is a very, typical sum. It's a typical sum. Yeah, challenging sums make us strong in mathematics. If you go to gym, uh, if you use small weights, it gets time to get strength. Okay.
Yes.
If you use more weights, we
More.
get strength immediately. That means rapidly. That's why we choose to solve. We choose to attempt difficult sums as difficult as possible. This is in that category. The distance between parallel lines is given. Previously, we learned the formula and did sums to find the distance regarding the distance between two parallel lines.
Yes, sir.
For example, this is a line.
Yes.
Its equation is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. It is another line. Its equation is
Ax plus by plus c2.
equal to 0, right? It's the
Yes.
distance between. This is called perpendicular distance. This is called perpendicular distance.
Yes.
There is a formula to find that perpendicular distance, that is mod of c1
Mod
plus
of
c2
c1 by
the square
root.
root of a square plus b square. Like perpendicular distance, it is a perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. This is perpendicular distance from a point to a line. This is perpendicular distance from a point to a line. This is perpendicular distance between two lines. Those are parallel lines, right?
Yes.
In this question, perpendicular distance to two lines is asked, but those two lines are not given directly. Those two lines are involved, included, are contained in this equation. This equation contains two lines. That means two equations. Our
Yes.
task is to separate those two equations. We need to separate those two equations.
How can we separate?
Yeah, for that we need to take this as some k or z. Let x plus 7y is equal to z. Then the equation becomes z square plus 4 root 2 times z minus 42 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Now we have to factorize. You know how to factorize?
Yes, sir.
We need to find two numbers whose product is 42 and subtraction difference is 4 root 2.
6 and 7.
Difference is 1 only.
Difference is 1.
42 is nothing but 21 times 2.
21 times 2. Yes, sir.
21 times 2, right?
Can we take root of 21?
21 is 7 times 3.
Yes, sir.
7 times 3.
3.
7 times 3 times 2, right?
Yes, sir.
The difference between 7 and 3 is
4.
which is equal to this.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Now, in this type of equations, the factorization process is like this. The two numbers are 7 and 3, and 2 is also factor for 42, right? Now, see, one number is 7 root 2, another number is 3 root 2. 7 root 2, 3 root 2. What is it multiplication? Multiply 7 root 2 and 3 root 2.
21 root 2.
21 times 2. 21 times root 2 times root 2.
2, sir.
2.
Yeah.
It is equal to 42. Okay, correct only?
Yes, sir.
What is 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2?
4 root 2.
Yes, it is equal to this 4 root, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, z square
Z
plus
square
7 root 2 minus 3 root 2.
minus 40. Minus 40.
Sorry, 7 root 2 z minus 3 root 2 z minus
Yes.
40. This factorization is g square plus
7
1
root
root 2
2.
z minus 3 root 2 z.
Yes.
Minus,
Minus
right?
equal.
For 2. You know, for 2 is nothing but 7 root 2 times 3 root 2. So that it is easy to take common.
Yes.
Now, what is common in the first two terms?
Z, sir.
Z, right? Taking z common.
Z plus 7 root 2.
Very good. Minus, what is common in these two terms? In the next third term and fourth term?
Z, sorry, root 2.
3 root 2. 3 root 2 is common.
Root 2.
Z plus, whenever a negative term is taken common, terms in the bracket should get opposite signs.
Yes, sir.
Because minus times plus is positive. Sorry, minus times in positive is negative. Negative, right? Yeah. 3 root is taken common. So the remaining factor is, the leftover factor is, when 3 root is taken common?
1, sir, nothing.
No, no.
Right.
It is 3 root, it is 3 root 2. 3 root is taken common from these two terms.
Oh, Z, sir.
Of course, G written. Next,
Yeah.
7 root 2.
You said third and fourth. No,
Yeah,
sir.
third and fourth. Third and fourth, the common factor is 3 root 2.
Oh, then we have, yes, sir, 7
That
root 2.
is 7 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, Z plus 7 root 2 is common in these two terms.
Yes, so Z plus 7 root 2.
G plus 7 root 2 times?
Times Z minus 3 root 2.
Yeah, Z minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, see, Z, yeah, the equation is Z plus 7 root 2 is equal to 0. It is one equation. Another
Z
equation
minus
is
3 root 2.
3 root 2 is equal to 0. It is another equation, right?
Yes, sir.
What is Z actually?
X plus 7y, sir.
Yeah. Now continue on the screen.
So,
G means X plus 7y
y plus 7 root 2
is equal to 0. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
plus 7y minus 3 root 2 equals 0.
That's good. Now use this formula. Now, yeah, right.
I root a square plus b square. So C1 is the
7 root 2. C1 is 7 root 2.
yes. Plus 3, negative 3, negative 3 root 2 by 1 square plus 1 square. Correct?
No, 1 square plus 7 square. X coefficient is 1 now. Y coefficient is 7. So it should be 1 square plus 7 square. Yeah.
4 root 2 over 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. So do I have to write? Okay. Root 7.7.
No. 4 root 2 by, what is the denominator?
1 square plus 7 square.
What is its value?
1 square 40, sorry, 1 square 1 plus 49.
Yeah.
So is it root 50, sir?
Root 50. Very good. Yeah. Use, use empty space to continue the calculation.
4 root 2 over 4 root 2 over 50.
4 root 2 by root 50 means you can write root 50 as root 25 into root 2. Yeah, numerator is 4 root 2.
and 2 get cancelled, sir.
Yeah.
And then 4 over 5.
4 over 5.
4 over 5. 0.8, sir.
Of course, but check the options.
There's no 4 over 5, sir.
Yeah, let's check it.
7 root 2 minus 3.
X plus 7y plus 7 root 2, x plus 7y minus 7 root 2. C1 minus C2. C, it is plus, you know why?
Sir, but then it's negative 3 root 2, no, sir.
Of course, C. C1 is equal to 7 root 2. C2 is equal to 3 root 2. Now we want C1 minus C2. C1 means 7 root 2
Minus 3 root
minus
2.
of, it is minus 3 root 2. Minus of minus 3 root 2. The result is
7 root 2
plus 3 root 2. So it is 7 root 2 plus 3 root 2, 10 root 2.
Yes, sir. So it's
Got
10
it?
root. Yes, sir.
10 root 2. Now it is 10 root 2.
Yes. So we can just write 10 root 25, no, sir.
Yeah, numerator is 10 root 2.
Yes. Denominator 10 root 2, no, sir.
Yeah.
Over
Over
10 root 25.
No. Root 50 is root 25 times root 2. As you said.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Root 2 get cancelled, sir.
And then 10 over 5, sir.
Yeah.
But the options. Oh, 2. Oh, yeah, 2. Option 4. That equals 2.
That's good. This type of mistake should be done. C1 minus C2. It is C1 minus C2, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
So also in my class for the mathematics, the inverse is going on. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir. The inverse in the equations, that's what the sir was telling us.
Yeah. First of all, yeah, ad came in our live class also. Actually, it is not count. I just see an ad on it, but it is not count. Actually, I should not watch ads on it. First, just for verification, I am seeing this video. Just
Yes.
now one ad came. Okay, see, to solve this type of sums, first of all, let us modify the 4 options. The 4 options are modified.
Yes, sir.
As like this, put n is equal to 0. What happens now? First option will become
0, sir.
0 plus
Pi by 4.
that means pi by 4. You know what is pi by 4? It is 45 degrees. What about second option?
Oh, it will be 0 minus 45, sir.
That means minus 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Third option?
0 plus or
minus
minus
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Fourth option? 0
degree.
Right. Coming to the point. The slope of the line passing through the points 2 comma sin theta, 1 comma cos 3 is 0. You know how to find slope when 2 points are given?
Yes, so y2 y1 minus by x2 minus x1.
Yeah, x1 y1, x2 y2. Now tell y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Got it?
Yes, sir. Cos theta minus sin theta by 1 minus 2.
Cos theta minus sin theta by
1 minus 2.
1 minus 2, right? Actually, slope is given as 0.
1 minus 2.
Sorry, 1 minus 2. Is it 1 minus 2? Right. Yeah. Slope is given as 0. That means this is equal to 0.
Oh, then cos theta minus sin theta equals -1.
Negative 1. No. 0 times -1. 0 into
Oh, yes, sorry.
totally 0.
0.
Then cos theta is equal to sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell at which angle cos theta sin theta are equal? At which angle cos theta sin theta are equal? 0 degrees. Cos 0. What is cos 0?
0, sir?
But sin 0?
0, sir?
No. Cos 0, 1. Cos 0 degrees 1. Sin 0 degrees 0. At 0 degrees, cos theta, sin theta are different. Use the table and tell at a particular angle, cos theta and sin theta both are equal. At a particular angle, cos theta and sin theta both are equal.
Oh, I don't have the table, sir. I only have it for tan theta. You only told me for tan theta.
You want, okay, no problem. Divide both sides by cos theta.
Cos theta equals sin theta.
Cos theta. What's the value of cos theta by cos theta?
1, sir.
Is equal sin theta by cos theta?
Yeah. Sin theta by cos theta.
It is tan theta.
Okay, tan theta.
Yeah,
45
now,
degrees.
yes. Which option is correct?
45 degrees. Option 1.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, I thought option 4 is correct, sir, because it's at 0 and 0.
No. It midway answer. Yeah, it is very tricky question. P of
Yes, sir.
alpha comma beta lies on the line y is equal to 6x minus 1. First, focus on this bit in this portion. After that, you can go to the second point. The first point is focus on it. Previously, we did one thing. We checked whether 3x plus 4y is equal to 7
Yes.
contains the point 1, 2 or not. Okay. How did we check whether that point is on it or not? By substituting, by plugging that point. If that point, since that point is not satisfied that equation, the point is not on that line. We conclude the point is not on that line.
Yes.
It is given the point alpha comma beta lies on the line, clearly given. That means the point alpha comma beta must satisfy that equation.
Yes, sir.
The point alpha comma beta must satisfy that equation. Yeah, plug in that point. What happens? Y means what?
Beta, sir?
X means?
Beta equals 6 times alpha
minus 1.
minus 1.
That means we can rewrite this equation as 6 alpha minus beta.
Beta plus 1 equal.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, the second thing, the second piece of data is Q of beta comma alpha lies on the line 2x minus 5y is equal to 5. What happens when we plug in this point beta comma alpha? It is beta comma alpha. Note this point. It is beta comma alpha. So x, y.
Yes, sir.
The result is
2
beta. You can write separately, not that place, because alpha beta are not matching. Yeah, right here 2 beta.
Yes, sir. 2 beta
minus 5 alpha is equal to 5.
That equals 5.
That means minus 5 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 5. Now solve these two equations to get the values of alpha and beta.
We can
Equation 1
multiply by 2.
multiplied by 2.
12. What is it? Alpha, sir, minus 2 beta
is
equals to negative 5 plus 2 beta. beta equals 5.
Yeah. Add 12 alpha minus 5 alpha, 7 alpha.
One second. Yeah. 7 alpha equals 7.
Yes.
Alpha equals 1.
Very good.
So if alpha is 1, we can substitute it in the equation to find the beta.
Yes, yes. To find beta.
So it's 12 minus 2 beta equals 2. Negative 2 beta equals negative 10. Beta equals 5, sir.
Yes. So alpha and beta are?
Alpha is 1 and beta is 5. 1 comma 5.
Yes. Now what is point P and what is point Q?
Point
Yeah,
P.
point P. What is point P?
Oh, point P is 1 comma 5, sir.
Very
That's
good.
5. And
1
Q
comma
is
5.
5 comma 1.
Q is?
5 comma 1.
We want equation of the line PQ. For that, we need slope. What is slope? Slope of PQ?
1 minus 5 over 5 minus 1.
1 minus 5 over 5 minus 1. Its answer?
Negative 4 over
4.
4.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Perpendicular. I'm
So
sorry.
use any of the point, x1, y1. You know point slope form?
Y minus y1 equals m times x.
Write it and continue.
Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus 5 equals negative 1 times x minus 1. Y minus 5 equals negative x positive 1. Y equals negative x negative 4.
Option?
Negative x negative 4. So is there an option?
Actually, minus 4 by 4. 1 comma 5. Alpha P 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. 5 is equal to 1. And Q is 5 comma 1. 10 minus 5.
Oh,
Okay. No. Y minus
sorry,
1 equal to m times
positive,
x minus 6.
positive 6.
Positive 6. Yeah, correct only. Good.
Yes. So it's option 3, sir.
Yes. X plus y is equal to 6. Option 3 correct.
Yes.
Got it. Now, equation of the straight line passing through 1 comma 1 and at a distance of 3 units from minus 2 comma 3. See, we have to cross check. We can use the method of cross check method. What is cross check method? The required line must satisfy
the equation.
See, the question is equation of the straight line passing through 1 comma 1. This is point 1 comma 1. Okay, the required line is passing through this point.
So slope, sir.
Just wait.
Okay,
The straight line passing through 1 comma 1. So the required line is passing through 1 comma 1.
Yes, sir.
And a distance of 3 units from the point minus 2 comma 3. For example,
Yes.
somewhere there is a point minus 2 comma 3. The distance of this point from this line is 3 units.
Yes, sir.
How to cross check the options? First of all, the required line must satisfy 1 comma 1.
Yes, sir.
Which among these 4 satisfy the point 1 comma 1? Check it. Option 1 satisfies 1 comma 1 or not?
No, sir.
So clearly option 1 is wrong. What about option 2?
So it's 5 minus 12 plus 6. No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
5 minus 12. Yeah, no. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, not 0. So option 2 is wrong.
Option 3 satisfies, sir.
Maybe correct. But
Option 4 also satisfies, sir.
so 1 among 3 and 4 is correct. Now we need to find the distance from minus 2 comma 3 to that line. Okay, between these two lines, between these two options, one option satisfies the distance condition. First of all, find the distance from minus 2 comma 3 to 5 comma 5x minus 12y plus 7 is equal to 0. That is, you know how to find the distance? I taught
Root x.
5 times of x is replaced by x coordinate. Y is replaced by y coordinate. So 5 times of minus 2.
Oh, yes.
Minus 12 times of
negative 30.
8 to 12 times of 3 plus 7 whole by. It is under mod, in between mod. Okay, this square root of. Do you remember?
Where is it that, sir?
Previously, I taught alpha comma beta.
Yes, sir.
It is a line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
It is a perpendicular distance.
Yes.
Formula for this is mod of L alpha,
Mod L alpha plus m
beta
beta
plus n whole by square root of L square plus m square.
Plus m square.
So it is the square root of L means what? Yeah, 5 square 25.
25 plus 144.
Yeah. Continue this calculation.
Negative 10, negative 36 plus 7 over 9. 69. So it's negative, so it's 39 over 2.
No, not 14. It's not
Sorry.
14.
Sorry, 13. Sir.
Yes.
13 times 3 is 39.
So, correct or wrong? What is its distance?
3, sir. Correct. Yeah.
3 matching.
Yes. Yes.
So clearly, undoubtedly, conformly,
Option 3
is correct. What about option 4? See, if we find the same distance, we get there is no x term in fourth option. So we need not use minus 2. It is y term only.
Yes, sir.
Replaced by y coordinate 3 minus 1, the square root of a square plus b square. A square means x coefficient 0. B square is y coefficient 1.
Yes, sir.
The result is 3 minus 1, 2 by 1 is equal to, the distance is 2.
Yes, it's
But actually
not
given that the distance is 3. That's why option 4 is wrong. That's why this is correct.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So
yes.
option 3 is correct, right?
Yes. 1 second.
Yeah, it's very, very, very interesting question. Mod means plus or minus, you know?
Yes, sir.
Once they read the question.
The area enclosed within the curve mod x plus mod y equals 1 is.
Right. What's the value of mod of 3?
3, sir.
In this case, mod x is equal to x.
Yes, sir.
Because it is positive. Three is positive.
Yes.
The value in between the modulus is positive. That's why its mod value is same.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is mod of minus 7?
7.
What happens here? In this case, what is mod of x? Minus x. Because
6.
minus of minus 7 is plus 7.
Yes.
Minus of minus 7 plus 7. What is mod of minus 2?
2, sir.
How to make, how minus 2 is transformed into plus 2? By multiplying minus.
Yes, sir.
Since it is negative, mod of minus 2 is minus times of minus 2, minus times of same.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you want to find the value of mod of minus 5, is it positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative. So its value is negative times of negative 5. That's why it becomes 5. That's why mod of minus 5 is equal to 5.
Yes.
What's the mod of 6?
6, sir.
6 only. Since it is positive.
Positive.
Same.
Yes,
so
sir.
mod x value, there are two options, two chances for mod x. Either x or minus x. Mod x value is either x or minus x. It's dependent upon the sign of x, right?
Yes, sir.
So mod x means mod x is sometimes x, sometimes minus x.
Minus x.
See, what is mod of minus 10?
10, sir.
What happens here? Minus x or x only?
X, sir.
Here, if it is x, if it is x, its answer is
negative 10 or 10, sir.
See, what is the value of mod of negative 10?
10, sir.
10. If you consider this number as x, if it is x, then what is this? X only?
Yes, sir.
See.
No, x or negative x, sir.
See here particularly. If minus 10 is x, then what is 10? If minus 10 is equal to x, then what is 10? What happens when we multiply both sides by minus, both sides by negative? Multiply 10 is equal to
negative x.
So if minus 10 is x, then 10 is
negative x.
Negative x. That means what happens here? Mod of x is equal to negative x.
Yes, sir.
Mod of 18 is equal to
18, sir.
18. If 18 is x, then what is 18? This 18? X or
X.
negative x? X only.
X.
Okay. In this case, yes. Mod of x is equal to x.
Yes, sir.
Got the point? In that case, mod of x is equal to
negative x.
Mod of x is equal to
x, sir.
So our conclusion is mod of x is sometimes x, sometimes negative x. That's the main point. Now, see, the question is the area enclosed within the curve mod x plus mod y is equal to 1, right?
Yes.
Now, let us see one point. For example, there is an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is an equation, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to plot, that equation on this graph, this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. We need to find these two intercepts. A, it is B, right?
Yes, sir.
A is on x-axis. A is on x-axis, which means y is equal to 0. The points on x-axis having y coordinate 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
To find this coordinate, we need to put y is equal to 0. By putting y is equal to 0, because all the points on x-axis have y coordinates 0.
Yes.
That's why to know this point, we need to put y is equal to 0 in this equation.
Yes.
Put y is equal to 0 on that equation. 2x plus 0
2x
is equal to
plus
6.
0 6.
X equals 3. So coordinates of this point are 3, 0. Got it?
Yes.
Now coordinates of this point are B. Coordinates of B are
2,
No.
0.
It is
0,
y-axis. So its x coordinates is equal to 0.
So 0, 2. Sir.
Yes, 0, 2. So in this way, we can find the coordinates of x on x-axis and y-axis. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take 4 equations. There are 4 equations are there. 4 equations are given to us. What are those 4 equations? First equation is x plus y is equal to 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Second equation, x minus y is equal to 1. Third equation, minus x plus y is equal to 1. Fourth
X plus
equation,
x minus y equals
negative x, negative y is equal to 1. Because mod x means there are two chances, positive x or negative x, right? So these are the four equations. Let us draw the first equation. What is this point? Can you tell this point? Take this equation. To find a point on x-axis, we need to put x is equal to 0. Sorry, y is equal to 0.
yes, sir.
Put y is equal to 0 in this equation.
Yes, sir. X equals 1.
That means this point, coordinates of this point are 1, 0.
1, 0.
It is 1 unit, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the point on this line? The coordinates of this point?
0 minus y equals 1.
0. So put x is
So,
equal to 0. To know this point, put x is equal to 0.
so negative 1. Sorry.
Put x is equal to 0 in this equation.
Oh,
What happens?
sorry. 0 plus
Put
y
x
equals
equal to
1.
0.
Y
X equal
equals
to 0.
1.
Y is equal to 1. So coordinates of this point are?
Y equals 1.
That means 0, 1.
Yes, sir.
So it is the line. Now, what about the second equation? This is second.
0 minus y equals 1. Negative
That
y
means
equals...
negative 1.
Yes, sir. Y equals negative 1.
That means 0, minus 1.
Yes.
Third equation is this. Fourth equation is this. These are the four equations. We need to find the area enclosed in this curve, means this area is to be found.
Yes.
That area can be divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is a right angle triangle. Got it? Each part is a right angle triangle. Can you tell this part? It is a right angle triangle. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
What are the sides? One side is 1 unit. This is 1 unit distance.
Yes, sir.
It is 1 unit distance.
Yes, sir.
Area of the triangle half times
Half times base times height.
Base is 1, height is 1.
Half, sir.
Yeah, half. So area of this triangle is half. Similarly, area of this triangle is also half.
Yes.
This also half. This also half. So what is total area?
We have to add everything, sir.
Yeah, add everything.
Two, sir.
That's good. Option?
Half. Option 2, sir.
Very good. Mark the option. Sureka, do you have language exam today?
ఎగ్జామ్ ఉందన్నారు సార్ సిలబస్ ఇవ్వలేదు సార్ ఇంకా
గ్రూప్ లో చూడు గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టారు సార్ గ్రూప్ లో చూసావమ్మా డీన్ సార్ పెట్టారు కదా డీన్ సార్ సిలబస్ పెట్టారు కదమ్మా నువ్వు గ్రూప్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నావా
ఎస్ సార్
మరి ఎందుకు కదమ్మా సిలబస్ అందుట్లో సార్ పెట్టారు కదా చూడలేదా
చూడలేదు సార్
అయ్యో మరి ఎగ్జామ్ ఎలా రాస్తారమ్మా అప్పుడు కూడా ప్రిపేర్ రాసేయగలరా
ఎస్ సార్ రాసారు
ఇంగ్లీషే కదా సరే
సార్
ఓకే ఈ సమ్ చూడండి సరే erase the right mark.
Yes.
Yeah, someone please read this question. Number of circles touching the lines 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0, 6x plus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. Have you noticed one thing here? What happens when we multiply each term in equation 1? What happens when we multiply each term by 2 in this equation? This is the first equation. Multiply each term by 2.
6x plus 8y minus 2
6x
plus 8y minus 2 equals 0.
Study these two lines.
They are parallel, sir.
They are parallel. So among these three lines, two lines are parallel.
Yes.
Clearly, this is not parallel to any of these two lines.
Yes, sir.
So it is intersecting line.
Yes, sir.
How many circles can be drawn so that the circle touches each of the three lines? Try to draw on the screen.
1, sir.
One only. That circle must touch all the three lines.
1.
No. It is not. It is not touching. Touching means this is called touching. See, this is line. This is circle. This is called touching.
Oh,
And this is called intersecting.
sir. That.
Very good. Tanika, good girl. Right. Next one.
2.
That's good. Answer is 2 only.
Oh.
In case those three lines are this, how many circles can be drawn? If three lines are parallel. In this problem, only 2 lines are parallel. If 3 lines are parallel, what's the result? How many circles can be drawn so that each circle touches 3 lines? 3 lines? No. Those 2 circles touch only 2 lines.
Oh. Yes, sir. Fine. 1, sir.
Right? Try. Oh, sorry, I forgot to record.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many circles can be drawn?
No.
No circle. Very good. In this case, if the 3 lines are parallel, no circle is drawn. That means
Yes.
zero circles can be drawn. So, for example, the question is like this: 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 4x plus 6y is equal to 9. 6x plus 9y is equal to 8. How many circles can be drawn passing through these 3 lines? So what is our answer? Your answer for this question is, the result is, tell how many circles can be drawn?
2 circles, sir.
See how all the 3 lines are parallel. Have you noticed that point?
How?
Yes, sir.
2x plus 3y is equal to 4. When we multiply it by 2, it becomes 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. So first line and second line are parallel. Got it?
Sir, 4x.
Yeah, 4x plus, sorry. Yeah, what is, so first line and second line are parallel. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And second and third line, all the 3 lines are also parallel lines.
Oh, yes, sir.
So these 3 lines are like this. How many circles can be drawn? No circle can be drawn.
No. Sir, if we think technically, there can be 2 circles, sir.
But each circle must touch all the 3 lines.
Yes, sir. It will touch now, sir.
Yeah,
So
it touches only 2
1,
lines.
2.
It is intersecting. That's why I told it is intersecting. The circle is intersecting that line, not touching.
Oh.
This is not
Yes, sir.
allowed. Which
Okay,
means
sir.
right. Okay. Now, in this case, for this problem, what is our answer? For this problem, what is our answer?
0, sir.
0, right. So, in that case, option 1 is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us see a different typical case. That case is those 3 lines are neither of the lines are parallel. then those 3 lines are must like this. These are 3 lines, right? How
Yes,
many
sir.
circles can be drawn so that each circle
One,
touches
sir.
3 lines? One
One,
only.
sir.
One only.
Yes, sir.
See, it is one circle touching 3 lines. Agree?
So 3, sir, isn't it?
This circle touches 3 lines. Agree?
Yes, sir. There can be 3 circles, no, sir.
This circle touches all the 3 lines, right?
Yes, sir.
This circle
Four,
touches all
sir.
the 3 lines.
4, sir. 4.
Okay. This circle
Yes,
touches all the 3 lines.
yes, sir. 4, sir.
Oh, 4, sir.
How many circles? 4
4,
circles.
sir.
Right? These are the cases. 2 lines are parallel. 3 lines are parallel. Neither pair is parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, very beautiful sums are those are not saved. Okay.
Sir, I think I have to leave, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Try to watch more. Yeah, and I'm sending you one video clip which contains the solutions for that question paper. I sent you one
Yes,
question
sir.
paper.
I'll try solving it, sir, somehow. And then I'll look
Yeah.
at the solutions.
Watch it. Watch this video. It
Yes, sir.
contains live solutions for that. I'm
Yes.
sending right now.
Yes, sir. I'll see, sir.
Yeah. See. Received.
Not yet. Yes, sir, just now.
What is its thumbnail?
Surprise test 02 on straight lines.
That means click on that link.
Oh, yes. 1 second.
What do you see?
I see the video, sir.
Yeah, which contains live solutions for the
Right.
for that questions.
Yes, sir. I'll do the questions first and then I'll see this.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Then we will discuss those questions along with these students.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do so.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Let's continue. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పండి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది రమ్మని సురేఖ